Hello, welcome to Quran video class. So in this class, we'll be teaching us how to make a Quran video. To do that, you first go to your Chrome and search for freaya.com. So it is here already. Just search for freaya. Let me research freaya.com. freaya.com. Then after freaya, you can choose any researcher that you want. Let me just go to Ayubi, Muhammad Ayubi. Then you go and pick any surah, Surah Al-Fatiha. Okay, Surah Al-Anbiya. Okay, let me just go to the third surah. An-Naba. And let me go to Ayah 35. So you can, okay, let me see 38. Then let me pick the 38. Then you can listen to the Quran first.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا
Then you will click on the three dots. If you click on the three dots, then you download the ayah. Now open the Quran. Then go to the surah. Go and change the surah or the verses. Then we go to the Mulk. We go and pick Surah Al-Mulk. Then we go to Ayah 38. Ayah 38. So okay. Surah An-Naba, I mean. Sorry. 38. Yawma taqumu ruh. Then you now copy this. You can paste it in one of your notes. Then just go to keep my note. Then add the Quran note. Then you paste it here. Then you go and copy the second one. Ayah 39 also. Copy. Then go back to your note. Go back to your note, paste it here. Then after you have pasted the Quran, so you can use two methods to, you now go and you go straight to your InShot to go and edit the video and the Quran. To do that, you can use two methods. It's either you start you can use two methods. It's either you go to your video, create new video photo or college, you go to your video. It's either you start with your audio or you start with the background. So in this video, I will start with background. Then I will come here to come and pick background. Then I'll click my OK here, the green button that mark. I'll click OK. Okay, this is my background. Then I will now change the canvas to YouTube video. I'll come to this canvas here. Then I will now click this YouTube video. So after picking this YouTube video, then I will now enlarge my video. Can you see it? I will enlarge my background. So this is my background. I can now enlarge my background here, like just like 1 minute 35 seconds, or let me just say like 1 minute 30 seconds. So this is my background for 1 minute. After that, I'll now go back to my test to upload my test. To do that, I'll go and copy the ayah, the first one. Yawma yaqumu wal malaikatu saffa. Then I'll copy all this ayah. Wal malaikatu saffa. Then I'll copy it. After copying it, I'll now go back to my test. Can you see? You can see canvas music sticker test. I'll now go back to my test. I'll click my test. Then I will now paste the ayah inside here. Can you see? Yawma yaqumu wal malaikatu saffa. It is because it give it a border, because I have already give it a border before. So if I want to remove the border, so normally in your own it won't display like this because it will remove the border color. So let me just go back to my border and remove the border. This is how the thing will look like. This is how the thing will look like if you paste it in your own. Then to now edit it, you click on edit here. You can see keyboard, you can see color, you can see font. The first icon here is star. The second icon is the keyboard. The third icon is the color. The fourth icon is the font.